Hello guys, I'm Sahil. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm gonna show you what I trade today, and this is gold chart XAUUSD. As you can see, I usually trade on base of SMC and ICT concepts. As you can see, there is clearly a bullish trend as of now. So we were gonna, I was just trying to take a trade on in the same direction as the market is. So bias is also positive today, and as you can see, but there was a clear sign that it could be reversed from here as there was this order block and FVG, if you can see in the daily time frame. But anyway, I was just gonna scalp, so I didn't think much. So I was just looking at the chart today in 1 hour time frame, and it was also bullish, if you can see. This was a clear uptrend. There was a breakout after long consolidation, and after the breakout, if you can see, the trade should have been here exactly. I should have started trading here, like put my trade here because there was a clear liquidity sweep, sorry. So it could have been there. Could have traded like enter on this candle, but risk to reward ratio was too much for me. Like I trade on 0.1 lots, so that would not be good for me. So I went into 15 minutes chart, and then for scalping, I again, this is also wrong place where I should not trade. Like there could be fall from here, but anyway, I was just scalping, so I just thought I could take a trade here. If you can see, after that liquidity sweep, market was just going up and up. I was not awake during this phase, so I just waited. If you can see that liquidity sweep concept is working all around, even after this breakoff structure and this liquidity sweep, you could have just enter anywhere in the on the green candle, and it would have given you great risk to reward ratio, like easy 1:319 or 4, whatever you take. I can also, as I'm just not a pro trader, so I can also take 1:3, which would have been completed in very less time. But anyway, I did not take that trade, so I would not say much about that part. So as we come here, if you can see, there was clear break off structure and liquidity sweep. So I did not take trade here because it was not fully confirmed. So I waited till here, this order block candle, and I just waited for confirmation that market was going to be in my direction. So I just enter here, and the stop loss was below this, and yes, this is still running, but I've already trailed my stop loss below this part. So anyway, I'm in profit. So even if the market goes below, I'll close in little profit. So that was my analysis for today. Hope to see you soon again. Thank you.